Okay, so guys, today I actually think I'm going to film my intro with no makeup on, purely because I'm going to be recreating a James Charles makeup tutorial. Well, trying to. I know the one that I want to recreate, and I don't want you guys to see how it turns out until the end of the video, because right now I don't know how it's going to turn out. But yeah, that is what today's video is going to be. I hope it goes somewhat okay. I mean, I consider myself quite good at makeup, like not bragging, but like I consider myself like above average at makeup. There is a hair on my microphone. I hope it goes okay. I'm praying it goes okay. Ignore my missing nail. It's a struggle. I need to get them infilled. Okay, so I'm gonna put a photo of the makeup tutorial that I'm going to be recreating right here. If you are new, remember to subscribe to my channel before you go, and also remember to like and comment on this video and share this with all your friends, because you know me and I've got to get that promo. I think that is all I have to say for the intro. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah. Okay, so hi, I've got my laptop with the little video up, and let's see how this goes. Right, wait, he primed using his moisturizer. Well, that's this out of the question then. Bye bye Too Faced. And then he goes in with his
365 for a face.
Mine's actually the same shade. Okay, so Makeup Forever Y365. Let's start this video. Yes, I am ready to go. Yeah, I picked this tutorial that James has done because it's one of my favorites. And he doesn't post that many tutorials anymore, but I just think he is so talented, and that's why I chose to do James Charles as opposed to like any other beauty guru on YouTube, just because I'm not saying he's more talented than the rest of them, but I just think he is very good at what he does. Whether you like him or not, because I know a lot of people don't like James Charles, he is a good makeup artist. I want to bring you guys in a little bit closer. There you go.
I'm also going to grab a little bit of Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige.
Okay, Too Faced Born This Way. I have that, but I don't have it in a shade that matches me right now. It only matches me when I'm pale. So I'm going to mix in a little bit of my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation on my beauty blender. I'm going to blend. Is that what James is doing?
I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dip into my beauty blender.
Okay.
I kind of use this foundation to blend out the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick. Oh my god, I can't believe I've actually never tried mixing these.
Okay, shush James, we're not there yet. See, James just blended that out so flipping quickly, and I'm still here. Flipping hell, James. I never blend my foundation out like this, so new techniques here. This actually doesn't match my neck, love it. Oh well. We'll just use some bronzer. Oh, I finished blending mine out before he did.
To conceal today, I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey and just highlight the...
I don't have light medium, honey. I only have light medium, and it's probably going to be a bit dark for me today, but... Where's he taking this? Oh shit, okay, he's taking it down his nose.
We are having a super good skin day.
Oh my god, James, do you not understand what slow down means? I am not there yet. I need to blend this out still. I keep having to pause him. How is he doing this so quickly? I mean, I know it's editing, but like... He used his beauty blender, I'm using my beauty blender. He used Tarte Shape Tape, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. It's almost like I'm following what he does.
To lock our face in place, today we're going to be using, of course, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder.
So I have the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, but I've run out of it. And this is just another translucent setting powder. This is the RCMA No Colour powder that I always use. So I'm just going to use this one instead. Sorry, guys. Okay, how's he baking?
I really like only setting up my nose area and then under my eyes, because
oh shit.
to rest my face, I literally just add the lightest layer of powder possible, and even powdering at all.
Okay, so no. So James actually doesn't bake under his eyes, so let's just ignore what I said. He just sets it lightly, which is definitely what I just did. How can we know? And then he puts a light layer of powder on the rest of my face, which is 100% what I always do. You guys know me, it's not like I'm packing on like 5 layers of powder or anything. I can already tell this isn't gonna go well, guys. Why am I still setting? He said he put a light layer. Okay, no, this is a light layer because I can still feel my foundation is wet.
Today, so of course we have
I found Hoola bronzer, guys.
After this, I'm gonna use my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and then my Morphe M405 brush.
I'm using the same brush. Use code James for 10% off all Morphe brushes. Okay, where's he bronzing?
Light when I'm applying this bronzer, because if I dig it into my face too hard, so I'm just super light and letting that color get on there naturally.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to be super light-handed with this, like James told us. But you guys know I pack on the bronzer. Oh my god, I just realised we're gonna have to do a James Charles nose contour. Jesus, take the wheel. Oh my lord, this is not gonna go well, is it? Okay. I actually have quite a small forehead. I have more like a 3 head, as you guys can see.
Alright, so lesson 2, guys. I literally just did exactly what I said not to do, and I was bronzing too hard, and now if you can see right here on camera, my foundation is coming up a little bit.
I didn't do that. Who's the pro makeup artist now? James Charles? I'm joking, I'm joking.
Next, I'm gonna grab my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and my Anastasia A22 brush, and I'm gonna dip into this light yellow shade right up in here and just use that a little bit to reinforce the highlights on my face.
Okay, so I don't have the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna go quickly grab my Anastasia contour kit because there's a similar shade in that. It's just the light yellow shade, so let me just grab that quickly. Okay guys, so I have my Anastasia contour kit here. What does he do with this?
I'm next gonna grab my Luxie 180.
Oh my god, no, James Charles. Oh my god, I feel like I put too much of that on. Okay, so I think James is about to do his nose contour. All I'm gonna say is, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna use my Morphe M139 brush and contour my nose. James, help me. I don't know what I'm doing. Does he have any tips on this? Why does my nose look crooked? I'm not being funny, my nose actually looks crooked. Like, I'm looking at it in camera and my nose looks crooked. Why does it look crooked? My nose isn't crooked. Is it? Still crooked. Okay, right. Powder. Down the sides of my nose, like James told me. See, I thought this video was going to be fun. This is just stressing me out. Why does his look so much sharper than mine? He's baking his face? Well, you could have told me that now. Oh my god. James, stop. I'm still baking the rest of my face. Oh my god.
On camera and explain.
None of that, please. Give me time. Okay, so we're gonna add more powder because he said, I guess I might as well just go in and bake the rest of my face because it's been a hot minute. So, hi baking, I'm coming for you. Hi powder, okay. So he uses his Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, I think is what he said. He uses his Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is what I'm going to do. Mine is in shade 3. Okay, now fuck this, I'm doing this off camera. I'm sorry guys, it's making me really frustrated. Give me 2 seconds and I'll be back with brows on. Just what I need right now. My camera battery's dying. Love it. So now we can go in with the yellow shade. And what is he doing? Putting this through his crease.
I'm next grabbing another M433 brush and I'm going to dip into this orange shade right up in here and put that in the crease once again to deepen it up.
Come on, can you show me what shade that was a little bit clearly? Okay, I think it's this shade that he's talking about. So now we're dipping into the orange shade that took me about 3 hours to figure out which one he was talking about, and I think it's this one. Okay, in the crease once again to deepen it up. Oh shit, 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 shit. Oh, okay, this isn't... Guys, I feel like Sharpay in High School Musical right now when she's sat on top of that, like, cafeteria thing and she's just there like...
This is not what I want, this is not what I planned.
Come on, James. Help me out here. Is this what it's supposed to look like? Hang on, he did not tell me he was winging this shit out. Okay, well now he tells me. Oh god. Oh my god, no James, I haven't even got my brush out yet. Slow. What have we talked about, James?
Next I'm going to dip into this warm tone brown shade right up in here and start to deepen out the outer corner and blend that up a little bit into the crease.
Oh my god, okay. This one.
Then with my M560.
Oh my god, how does he... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, what was it? Outer corner, slightly in the crease. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, honey. Count how many times I say oh no in this video. This eye is like not having it. This eye is kind of having it. This eye is definitely not having it though. I feel like this would have been so much easier if I did my eyes before my face. Okay, so I have my Morphe 35O palette. I don't even want to show you guys it because it's so disgusting and messy. This shade is gonna go... Where's he putting it? Oh, he's carving out the crease with an eyeshadow. So, we'll try do that. Normally I use concealer and then an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. Did he do that? I don't know if he did that or not, but I'm doing that. I want to give this look some hope, okay? Without just having fallout everywhere. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what brush I'm using. I'm using my detail shader brush.
To add a little bit of glitter and more pop to this eye look, I'm going to grab these Stila liquid glitter stuff in Rose Gold Retro. You guys know these are so bomb.
Okay, I don't have that. I have it in the shade Kitten Karma. And then if I don't think this looks right, I'm going to apply some Violet Voss glitter on top. But we'll see how this goes first. I quite like the way that looks, eh? That did not turn out half as bad as I thought it would. I'm not going to add the Violet Voss glitter, by the way, guys.
I'm definitely going to hug the shadow very, very close to the lash line.
Gonna hug this close to the lower lash line. I'm hugging it. I'm hugging it. I'm winging it from now on. I'm going rogue, guys. I feel like his is a lot more winged out than mine. And also a lot more blended than mine. Okay. Give me a second, James. We're trying to catch up with you here. I feel like this whole video is just me telling James to slow down. I'm not being funny, but if you were actually trying to follow along with this, you will be pausing this every 2 seconds like I am. So I don't have the NYX Wonder pencil, but I have this white eyeliner, which is kind of the same thing, right? So I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I feel like I look a bit like a drag queen, eh? Okay, so he's about to apply mascara and then do lashes. I'm doing my lashes off of camera because there's no way in hell I can do them on camera. He used the Iconic lights, so I'm gonna use the Iconic lights. Let's just hope and pray that lashes save this look. Okay! Okay, so I cannot find my Iconic lights anywhere. Like, anywhere. So I applied my Iconics. They're still drying the glue, but I think they're on. And now let's see what James tells us to do. My laptop is on 27%, so I hope James tells us what to do quickly. So he's using Anastasia So Hollywood. I don't have it. I really want it, but I don't have it. So, but this is quite similar, I think. This is the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion in the shade 2. And what brush is he using? Okay, he's using a Morphe brush. I'm gonna use my Morphe R36 brush, which is just a little tapered highlight brush. And I'm gonna apply this onto my cheekbone. He's doing glitter freckles. I'm actually not gonna do that, which I know is the whole point of the makeup tutorial, but he's like got a stick-on sheet and I don't have that, so I literally can't do it, so we're gonna skip that part. So is James. I don't have the lipstick he's gonna use. He's gonna use the Ofra Sao Paulo liquid lipstick, but I don't have that, so I'm assuming World by MAC will be a similar match, and I have the lipstick form, so I might just do that all over my lips. Just let me get that lipstick quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and apply Well Lipstick by MAC. I'm using this as a lip liner. I just realised I have a lip liner which is a really similar shade as this lipstick, but we're doing it now, so. Oh my god, I look like a Bratz doll. Oh my god, mistake, mistake. Oh well. I'm gonna go in with Milkshake by Anastasia in the middle. Oh my god, I have pins and needles in my foot. Oh my god, this is so painful. Oh my god, okay. I forgot to apply mascara on my lower lashes. Oh my god, I have to do that now. When that's done, that's the final look. So I'm gonna apply those off of camera and then we're done. My lips are actually scaring me right now. But I'll be back with the lower lash mascara on, okay. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm gonna film this outro super quickly because my camera is actually flashing red right now. But I actually quite enjoyed doing this, surprisingly. Well, not surprisingly, I thought I would. I thought it'd be quite hard. It was really hard, but I enjoyed doing it. You guys should all give it a go, see how it turns out for you, I guess. Mine, it definitely needs to be more winged out, but you know, it's a learning process, I guess. Let me know how you think I did at recreating James Charles's makeup tutorial. Obviously, I didn't do the glitter freckles. I'm really sorry about that, but I literally couldn't. Why are you guys still so zoomed in? I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit. So yeah, let me know what you think of how I did. Let me know if you think I did good, bad in the comments, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment as well, and share this video with all your friends, and all my social medias are in the description box. So yeah, follow me on those if you want. I think that's all the promo. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a bit different, but super fun nevertheless. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys, love you loads.
Until you find your way back home.